Hey guys, welcome back to another Learning Station video. Today, I'm going to be making a minnow trap out of this plastic bottle. So the materials that you're going to need is, you're going to need some sort of rope, which I have that right there. You can use fishing line, but I wouldn't recommend that because that stuff will break off. You're going to need a utility knife, you're going to need your bottle, any choice, of course, some pliers, scissors, wire, and a hole punch. So what you're going to need to do first is you're going to remove all your labels. Remove your labels off. And chuck that, throw it away. Next step, take your cap off and chuck that. And just like this. Ba-bang. Alright, you're done with the scissors. You can put those away. Now check it, make sure it fits. Money, just like that. Next step is you're just going to poke a bunch of holes in it so it'll sink. Because you need water. Try not to make them too big so the fish can't swim out. 5 hours later. Alright. I think that should be enough. Let's put a bunch of little holes in it. I don't know if that'll show up on camera. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to put your top in. And this is what the wire comes in. Normally you just staple this shut, but I couldn't find any staples. And this wire will also, you can also like take this off and reuse it. You don't have to, like with the staples, you have to tear the thing off and toss it. With this, you can use this multiple times. So you take your hole puncher, go in a little bit, hole punch it. Buddy, this thing doesn't want to do it. Step right away. Chicken nugget. Here we go, that'll work. There we go, got one. Alright. So we got the first one. I had to take the entire thing out. Probably have to do that for the second one too. One more. Got it. Okay. So this is when the wire part comes in. So what you're going to do is you're just going to take it and cut 4 pieces off. Like this. There's 3, 4. Alright, this extra one I don't need. And now you're just going to bend it up, just like that. You're going to stick it through one of the holes. So you're going to close it. And you're just going to twist it tight. Just like that. So then this side is locked. Now you're just going to do that to every other side. So this is, we're almost finished. You see this top ain't coming out. The next part is you're going to take your rope and you're just going to stick it through that hole you created. Just like that. And you're just going to tie a quick and simple knot right here at the end. I'm just going to tie just a simple knot. I'm going to take it, twist it around a couple times. like that. So now your trap is finished. You can go fishing with it. So let me show you the finished product here. So here's my trap. You got these things holding these. Here, zoom out. Okay. So you got these little wires in each corner holding it down, and then one of the little holes poked in there. I don't know if you can see it, but they're in there somewhere. Yeah, there's one right there. And then you got a hole punched, a little hole right there. And you got rope coming out pretty long so you can cast this thing. And what you'd use for bait is, I'd just say probably maybe like dog food. Throw some bread in there, and yeah. So I'm not sure where I'm gonna take this. It'll be in this video. I'll take it out to probably like a pond or a stream or a river and throw the sucker in there. See if we can't catch any minnows or something. So yeah. Alright, lighting's not the best, but we're out here. We made it the next day. We got the minnow trap. I've got some bread, some fish food, and some dog food. I'm gonna just throw them all in there, see how it works. Yeah, I'm gonna get that sucker out of there and throw it in the pond. Can you video it? What I'm doing? It won't take very long. After all I want you to do is just, actually no, it's okay. Where do you think I should throw it? Give me one thing. Yeah, 1 second. Alright, boys. We got it. Put all that goody stuff in there. No. Put a rock. I put a couple rocks so it's safe. I'm just going to throw it right out there. Right there. I don't know if you can see that. Is it sinking? Time will tell. Oh yeah, it's sinking. Right there. Alright. So, I'm going to wait for that. And I'm going to throw the chesty on and get to fishing. What I'm just doing is I've just got a sinker and I got a little hook. I'm just casting it out and jigging it on the bottom. That one. I don't. Came off. Just had it though. There we go. Banger cast. Throw some right in there. Oh yeah. They're definitely going for that. Did you get the bobber back, Madeline? Yeah. Oh, it came off. Yeah. Keeps biting it. He wants it. He'll get it. I feel like I should pick the trap up. No. You need to let it sit for a while. I'll throw a little bit of food out there. See if I can get a fish to attack my lure. It's a piece of food or something. Get some on your hands and rub it everywhere. Oh, much better. I need some more. Alright, get some more. We need worms. Here, I'm gonna try to put the food on. Look at this.
Oh, you might even take that weight off because the weight looks like a piece of food. Just imagine fish coming up, just eating the weight.
I don't know how I'm gonna cast this. I don't seem very active today. I'm getting occasional bites, but
Yeah, I know that. Some days they just don't really want to bite. Like if you do it for like 2 straight days, they just kind of, just one day they'll be like biting, and we're not gonna do that.
no.
Well, I can't believe that.
Dude, this guy is tiny.
Tiny.
I'm gonna do that again.
Yeah,
Caleb, you should try that. There you go, buddy.
hey, let me put mine.
Dude, that thing's probably 3 inches long.
Talk about it. Like not even pounds.
Just lost it. Need another piece.
Gotta get it on good.
Caleb, you should try this.
Nah, I'm good. Guys,
This is my third fish. Caleb, I need the food.
Caleb, he needs the food. Then you got noise. Madam's like, Shaw!
She's crazy.
Oh, cast it right.
I saw him do it too.
Yeah, you saw
Another
it.
fish right there.
There's one right under it.
Saw the
this one's
hook.
pretty big. That's decent size.
Oh, that guy was tiny.
Like 20 miles per hour, but maximum speed. Oh, was you get Tyner? Oh, another Tyner!
Just go swimming. That was a horrible release. All right, boys. I'm done cheating. Now this thing has some scent on it. Let me put a weight on here.
Oh, they're going for the bugs now, Landon.
The bugs. You have bugs in here? Oh no.
For the mosquitoes. Oh no!
Put it right there.
Mosquitoes are in the lead. Okay, come on.
Oh, he had it. Now you don't know how to cast.
I do.
Ooh, get exposed. He flipping had it. I've been fishing. No way. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. I just stuck this thing down in the water and I caught a Big Daddy. Big Daddy, let's go. That did not. Let's go. Literally, what I was doing, I'm going to try that again, see if I can't catch another one. Here. Let me get out of there. Yeah, he's gone.
You got any minnows in there? They all look sick.
Dead. Nope, no fishy. Oh man, did you just have a fish?
It's almost as big as the last one.
There we go. It's not the same fish. The other fish had a bloody whip. Alright, this one is a little bit smaller. Look at that belly. This one's pretty fat. Yeah, we can. I don't know why. That'll hurt. Oh crap. Come back here, Bo. Right out of the Rose's pond. This guy's only like 5 inches. Maybe he's about the same size, but still smaller. Alright, put it away. Alright guys, we're done fishing. So we're going to pull the thing up. Not yet, not yet. Alright, we're pulling it up right now. We both caught a couple fish, so let's see if we caught anything. See if we did it. Let's let it drain. I doubt we caught anything. Alright. Let's crack this sucker open then. Here, can you video me? Thanks. Watch through the monitor. Alright boys, let's see if we caught anything. Just take this wire off. Hear the birds back there? Did we catch anything? It's not looking very promising, folks. Hey guys. Didn't catch anything. Hey, that's okay. I don't really care. At least we caught some fish actually fishing. So I'm gonna throw those in there. It's just water. Alright. Didn't catch anything. That's okay. I was hoping we were. Put it on me, Asher. Alright, so I guess that's the end of the video. Like you to thanks for watching. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. Please subscribe. See you later. Peace.